Mr. Gaurang Govind of CGR Brands has guided me in this venture, and I am very grateful and thankful to him for doing this for me because I was, as I said, a family jeweler setup in a family jeweler setup, and to become modernized requires a shift in mindset as well as some changes in the retail setup. And Mr. Gaurang Govind has guided me for this. He has worked for about on the basics of retail jewelry, of modern retail, and he is very knowledgeable about it. He has guided me about the software. He has guided me not only about the vision but also about what is needed to be done on the ground level. And he is also guiding me about this thing, the future projections and my focus areas going forward. I recommend him for all these things, and I thank him again for helping me with this brand building.